Problem number 3. 84 grams of nitrogen gas reacts with 60 grams of hydrogen gas to form ammonia as a product. Calculate the number of moles of ammonia is formed. Here, see the problem. Previous problems, he has mentioned the number of moles of A and number of moles of X react with B and react with Y and to form a product of various amounts, and here we calculate the number of moles of a product and what is limiting reagent and what is excess amount of reagent. But here he has not given the number of moles of nitrogen and number of moles of hydrogen react with each other and to form a ammonia as a product. So first of all we will write the equation. Nitrogen gas react with 3 moles of hydrogen gas to form 2 moles of ammonia as a product. So first of all here the given data 84 grams of nitrogen gas and 60 grams of hydrogen gas. So by the given data, first of all we will calculate the number of moles of nitrogen and number of moles of hydrogen. So we know very well the number of moles. Moles is equal to weight of X divided by molecular mass of X. So here weight of nitrogen divided by molecular mass of nitrogen is equal to 84 by 28. So 28 ones are 28 threes are. So here 3 moles of nitrogen and number of moles of hydrogen is equal to weight of hydrogen divided by molecular mass of hydrogen, that is equal to 60 by 2, that is equal to 30 moles of hydrogen. So here we'll get the 3 moles of nitrogen and 30 moles of hydrogen react with each other and form number of moles of product ammonia. So number of moles in the question, that is 3 moles of N2 and 30 moles of hydrogen. So first of all we will write number of moles of N2 and hydrogen, that is 3 moles of nitrogen and 30 moles of hydrogen. Then write so just we don't know, so the number of moles of ammonia. Next stoichiometric coefficient, that is based on the balanced equation, that is 1 mole of nitrogen reacts with 3 moles of hydrogen gas to form 2 moles of ammonia as a product. So this is, you can assume, so this is 1 and this is 2. So take the ratio of 1 and 2, so that is 1 by 2. So that is equal here number of moles by stoichiometric moles and number of moles of hydrogen divided by stoichiometric ratio. So that is equal to 3 moles of nitrogen and 10 moles of 3 ones are 3 tens are, so 10 moles of hydrogen. So 3 moles of nitrogen and 10 moles of hydrogen consumed in the reaction to form ammonia as a product. So based on the data, so 3 moles of nitrogen, so means it is completely consumed in the reaction. So that's why here N2 is a limiting reagent. N2 is a limiting reagent and H2 is a excess reagent or reactant. H2 is a excess reagent or reactant. So we will calculate the number of moles of product ammonia. Okay, so here the limiting reagent is nitrogen gas. So we will decide limiting reagent nitrogen gas will decide the formation of a product of ammonia. So therefore we will take the relation between number of moles of nitrogen and number of moles of ammonia. So that is equal to number of moles of nitrogen divided by its stoichiometric ratio, that is 1, and number of moles of ammonia divided by 2. So that is equal to number of moles we know already, so that is equal to 3 moles divided by 1, so that is equal to number of moles of ammonia is formed, that is equal to 3 into 2, that is equal to 6 moles. 6 moles of ammonia is produced. 6 moles of ammonia is produced, means 3 moles of nitrogen and 10 moles of hydrogen gas react with each other and forms 6 moles of ammonia as a product. So, so number of moles of hydrogen is consumed in the reaction we will calculate. So, take the relation between number of moles of nitrogen and number of moles of hydrogen. So, number of moles of nitrogen is 3. Here he has mentioned number of, means we get number of moles of nitrogen, that is 3, is equal to number of moles of hydrogen we will calculate. So the stoichiometric coefficient is 3. So therefore number of moles of hydrogen is equal to 9 moles consumed in the reaction. So actually number of moles in the given question, that is we get 30 moles of hydrogen. So therefore here how much amount of hydrogen is left over in the reaction, that is 30 moles minus 9 moles, that is equal to 21 moles is left over. So that means it is not consumed in the reaction. Thank you.